Recall that the rate is the annual percentage earned on an investment or the cost of funds used to finance the investment. There are three ways to solve for an annual interest rate: using time value of money tables, using a financial calculator, or using Excel, which is the most common way. This video will show you how to calculate a rate using Excel. The formula is equals RATE, open parentheses, N per, which is the number of periods, PMT, which is the reoccurring payment amount, and minus PV, which is the present value and always negative, and finally FV, which is the future value and often might be zero. Let's look at two scenarios where we'll calculate an interest rate. What is the interest rate on loans with the following terms? The first one is $10,000 borrowed, pay $2,500 a year for 5 years. And the second one is $2,500 borrowed, pay $100 a month for 30 months. Using the Excel rate formula, I enter equals RATE, open parentheses, 5, comma, 2,500, comma, minus 10,000, comma, and 0 for future value, and a closed parentheses. This results in an annual interest rate of 7.93%. For this next one, I enter equals RATE, open parentheses, 30 divided by 12, comma, 100 times 12, comma, minus 2,500, and 0 for future value, close parentheses. This results in an annual interest rate of 11.14%. In this last example, I divided the number of months by 12 and multiplied the monthly payment by 12 because I want to calculate an annual interest rate, not a monthly interest rate. And that's how you use Excel to calculate a rate.